Kohlrabi. So this is one that we haven't, I feel like we talk about a lot, and it's kind of one of the more unusual ones because it's something that we literally had no idea what it was until we're like, I wonder what that is. Let's give it a try and start growing it. So it's this like really unique plant where literally like that entire plant that you see right there is edible. So it and all of that is above ground. So it's just this little round ball right there that is right at the base of the soil, and it has these little shoots of leaves coming off of it. So you can eat that little round ball, you can eat the shoots of leaves off of it. It's super fun to grow, and it tastes really good too. It's really great in stir fries. We've made fritters with it before. We've done so much with kohlrabi before, and it's just one that's it's something really unusual to grow that is just it's fun. I like it. I'm trying to see if I there we go. Our favorite variety, Express Forcer, was our favorite kohlrabi one. Parkseed had a couple different ones, but this was the one that just grew really well for us like every single time. It just seemed to be like the foolproof one that always worked really well.